My yard is a mess. Can you see the trail where my bike goes in? It's all squishy. What's up, YouTubers? Your boy Scooby over here. Hey, what you What's up? I'm just gonna give you a quick update on my bike over here. On this T-Sport fairing. I mean, I only took it out once or twice, and I noticed that I had a lot of buffeting on my helmet, and I think it's because this windshield, there's no real gap in here. I'm assuming. I'm not exactly sure. So I loosened these bolts. I'm going to get some extra hardware to put inside there. See if I can create an airspace for the wind to go through, and see if that'll stop the buffeting. So I use the word buffering, whatever the correct term is. I'm not exactly too sure, but you all know what I'm talking about. So I was thinking about putting the hardware over there, loosen that up, create an airspace. But yeah, if you have any ideas on how to take care of that issue, like I said, leave a comment down below in the comment section. And also, like I said about my grass, I ride my bike back and forth into the shed, so my grass is really beat up. Alrighty, so now that I got my workbench all cleared up over here, my makeshift workbench, this is some of the hardware that I picked up today at the store. We got these little spaces here. I was thinking about pulling these bolts out since they're long enough. Let me show you that there. I took one bolt out and I'll explain that. Those two bolts I was thinking about putting in between the shield and the actual fairing over there. And I got these little rubber grommets to put on this top half here. I'm hoping to give it some kind of a airspace to see if I can stop that buffeting. If you guys think that will help, let me know, because I really can't take the bike out until maybe another 2-3 months. The roads are just really salty and muddy and crappy because we live in New England. And yeah, so story of my life, right? I'm gonna explain to you why I took that one bolt out, right? And the other one's missing. I loosened it and it fell. It just disappeared. Story of my life. But I took that bolt out because I wanted to get new stainless steel hardware. That fairing did not come with all the, it came with all the nuts, but it didn't come with that nylon bushing to help lock it in. Nylon insert, whatever it is. So I went to the hardware store, picked them up, and they didn't have stainless steel. I'm not gonna install those. I ordered a whole set on Amazon. I went to 2 different stores, nobody had the stainless steel ones. Go figure. So if you think that my theory will work on that buffeting on the helmet, please leave a comment below. And if you have any ideas on how I can take care of the back lawn over there, is there something I can put on the grass? I don't want to put any pavers, like I said. I don't want to cement it either. But am I asking too much? If you got any ideas, leave a comment down below. And if you think this buffeting thing, by giving this little aerodynamic airspace jig, you know what I'm saying. Leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below because I don't want to be wasting any time.